Jackson? You're dead!
What? No, I don't like pictures.
Holy Magicker! Hey, Megan, what you doing? It's pretty.
What's that, boy?
I don't know. Forgot Jackson. The big sander bomb. Sander bomb. Giant ass vacuum. Ooh, the little thing that makes food. Evil scientist. Josh. Little thingies. Well, so many. Giant soft room. Lots of extras. I'll keep it.
That's
She's like, don't take pictures. It's now. The holy thing above. I'm recording the whole shop class. There's Thea and Lindsay and Cindy's over there. Hi. Here's Josh. Hi, Josh. And here's a whole bunch of shit. I'm gonna do glasses.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get a camera on my phone.
Yeah.
Hey, check this out. It's a shrimp attacking a building. Done. Oh, yeah, I thought so.
Oh, let's check out all this stuff.
My mom is taking a picture.